Hi there. So I was walking around the dollar store one day and I happened to notice this. It's just a toothbrush holder, plastic. But when I was looking at it, I thought, why not make it into a Bud vase and put flowers in it? The top comes off, you can put water in it, not a problem. But I wanted to jazz it up a little bit. So I kind of like the rustic look, and I'm using jute string, which I also purchased at the dollar store. I started off the bit of jute with a hot glue gun just to hold it down really good. I went around once with the hot glue gun. After that, I just used tacky glue and I just spread it with a paintbrush and wrapped it around. And that's all you have to do. So I will have some of these kits available if you want to make your own Bud vase. And yeah, I just took my paintbrush and went along. If you make the little bit wider of a strip, then you can go around a couple times with your string, like so. And then just wrap it so that it's nice and close to the one before, all the way around. All right, and you just keep doing that until you are at the top. So once you have your container totally done with the twine all the way around, I found a little bit of ribbon and I just put it around the top for an added embellish. And then, well, of course, yours will look much better with real flowers in it. But just to show you, there is another use for toothbrush holders, and you can make them as pretty as you want or as rustic as you want. So that's a take and make kit. I'll have a few available. If you're interested, please let me know, and first come, first serve. Enjoy your flowers.